All participants, please open RStudio and import ficus file and type done within chat. From Excel, browse, select your ficus file and click on import button. Now, in our previous class, we have learned about correlation analysis in R. Correlation analysis in R and have successfully created correlation plot or panel correlation plot. Today we will explore another tool for correlation analysis. On previous day, we have used site package. Now, today we will perform correlation analysis by using corrplot package. The first step which you need to give answer, the first question is which package will be used for correlation analysis? The answer is that you can use two packages, one are psych and second is corrplot. No, we have applied psych. No, today we will apply corrplot. So, no, second step, check its availability. How to check? For checking its availability, you need to come on screen number 4, click on packages. All participants, please come on screen number 4, click on packages and search here corrplot. I have this package corrplot. So I am typing here yes. I have this plot. So I am typing here yes. If you have, type yes. If you don't have, type no. Please all participants reply. Okay, the answer of maximum participant is no. No. Next step, you need to install this package. If you don't have this package, you need to install. For installation, click on install button. Type here CORR core plot. CORR core plot. Install. When you click on install button, it will show you red lines and a red dot. After a few seconds, it will show you package corrplot successfully unpacked and MD5 sum checked. Now I have done this step, installed, successfully installed. So if you have installed, type installed. Then I will move to next step. Okay. After a successful installation, we need to activate our package, activate our tool, or you can say you need to turn on this machine. So for turn on, we will use library. Type library within bracket package name and click on this line and run this code. Now your package is activated are ready to do work. Now our next step is script writing. So for correlation analysis, there is a short script CORR core. Here is a COR core. It is a basic function of stat core. Type here core for your file name ficus and run this code. When you run this code core ficus, it show you X must be numeric. It's mean for correlation analysis, we need only numeric data. While in our file, in our data set, one or more column is a character, which is not a numeric. So let's check. Click on your ficus file and check. This last one, species, is not numeric. It is character. So you need to remove. For removing this, you need to type column -5. Here, scare bracket main column variable number 5. So we want to remove column number 5. Now run this code. When you run this code, it will give you correlation matrix of this file. Copy this table, copy, open WhatsApp group, open WhatsApp group and share. Please all participants share your table in group. Okay. Now, next step is create its plot. But before creating a plot, today we will learn another term that is coding. What is coding? Actually, in R, when you decide to learn R, it's mean you want to learn coding. So what is coding? Coding is not a difficult word. It's mean code word. Coding mean code word. Coding mean code word. For example, here is Dr. Alfred Stange. We used a code word for AS for Alfred Stange. This is the code word. For example, here is a paragraph. We give it's a code word. Here is an example. For example, I am typing here 5 plus 10. 5 plus 10 and press run button. When you press run button, it will give you the result in the form in screen number 2, 15. But when you type 10 plus, sorry, 5 plus 10 and run, it show that object 5 not found. It's mean the word 5 is not in dictionary of R. There is no word name 5 in the dictionary of R programming. He is unable to understand what is 5, FIEV 5. He can understand this 5 number, 10 number, but not understand this 5, this 10. Here we need to do a coding. Coding means, for example, if we give 5 less than minus 5, 5 less than minus. This is the coding. It's mean uh, less than minus mean equal. Less than minus mean equal. We are telling to R FIE 5 mean 5 and run this code. When you run this code, or save this code in screen number 3. 5 mean 5. And when you type 10 less than minus 10, it's mean 10 equal 10 and run. Now you can see are saved 5 and 10 with 5, 5 and 10, 10. Now run it again 5 plus 10. When you run this again 5 plus 10, it will give you answer 15 because now we have do coding, we have done coding, we have values behind these 5. FEI 5 have a values, but if we type here 6, run, it show that 6 not found. It's mean there is no code word for 6. Similarly, in our code, if we want to give code, for example, there is a script, we want to give a specific name for this code. It's mean it is coding. For giving its name, type here less than minus, and type, for example, we're typing here X or Y. We give a name to this complete line Y. This is the coding. And run this code. Now you can see in screen number 3, Y is also saved as a coding. So less than minus mean equal. So this code, this script is equal to Y. No. In next step, you just type Y and run. It show you the result of this complete script. You don't need to write this complete script again and again. This is the benefit of coding. Now you give a name to the script is Y. Now you will use Y in our next steps. So now we have done correlation matrix. Now we need to draw its plot. So type here core plot, type Y, core plot, and type Y and run. When you run this code, it will give you a plot that is core plot. Each box show circle with different size and different color. Copy this plot, open group, and share. And type done within chat. Then I will move to next step. Okay, Dr. Hamid, I repeat it. Coding mean to give a specific name to complete script. This is the script. I want to give its name Y. I want to give its name any one which you want to give its name is the coding. And here the word for coding is less than minus. It's mean equal sign. Less than minus mean equal. You can write in your vocabulary or dictionary. Less than minus mean equal. Okay. Now you want to create another type of correlation plot. Click in this script after Y, comma, and type method equal within inverted comma, type numbers and run. When you run it, show that there are some spelling mistakes, so remove S and run. It will give you the plot in the form of numbers, not color. Copy, open group and share. If you want to change another plot from number to other, copy this complete code, copy, paste here, and replace number with scare and run this code. It will give you scare plot. Copy, open group and share. Similarly, again, copy this code, paste here, and replace scare with ellipse and run. It will give you ellipse plot. Copy, open group and share. Now, if you want to change another group, another plot, copy script, just replace its method with shade, and run. It will give you shade plot. Copy image, open and paste here and run. Okay. Again, open R, copy this code, paste here, and just change color. Color. Yes, here is the color plot. Copy and paste it. Now, if you want to change another plot, you can use pie plot also. Replace color with pie and run. It will give you pie plot of your correlation matrix. Copy and send in group. Okay. All participants, please perform all this step. And if you are facing any issue, you can share your screen. If you are facing any issue, please share your screen. Otherwise, if you have done, please type done within chat. Then I will move to next step. Okay. Next step is to create its half, upper or lower half. For example, you have created this plot, number plot, and your supervisor is saying, please just draw its upper or lower half. Add comma. After number, add comma. And again inverted comma. And type upper and run. It will give you upper half of your plot. Copy, open group, and paste. If you want to show just only lower half, okay, Abdul Rashid, please share your screen. Abdul Rashid, please share your screen. Okay, the error show that could not find function core plot. It's mean you have not run line number 24. Library, your package is off. It's showing there is no function core plot. It's mean you don't activate or turn on this package. So click on line number 24 and run this code. No, your package is activated. No, you can see in screen number 4 with core plot, a tick mark is appeared. No, run next code. Line number 26. Yes. No, you are using wrong code. If you see my script, I just use core plot, COR, just core, not core plot. Just type core, COR. In please, yes, in line number 26, it is core plot, COR. COR, yes, just core, COR. Just run this line. Line number 26. Here is the core plot matrix in screen number 2. Now again, come on line number 27 and remove plot. Remove this line, line number 27. Please remove line number 27. Okay, and come on line number 26. Before, click on before core. Before core. COR. First word, yes. Before, not after. Click and type less than minus. For coding, type less than minus. Yes, and before less than minus, type Y. Before, not after. Yes. No, run this code again. Yes. No, you can say in screen number 3, the object Y is created, code Y is created. Okay, no, you need to draw plot. For plot, we will use core plot function. Type corrplot, CORRPLOT. Corrplot, select this one. Within bracket type Y and run. No, just type Y. No, you need to, because we have give a name to this complete script Y. No, we will use Y instead of complete code. Okay. Now copy this code and share within group. Sorry, copy this plot. Not okay. Now come on line number 27. Please click on line number 27. Corrplot Y. After click on after Y and type method equal, select this one, and within inverted comma type numbers and run. When you run this line, it will give you an error and some suggestions in screen number 2. Please check and showing that spellings are not correct and giving you some suggestions. You can use these words for creating a plot. One is circle, square, ellipse, number, not numbers. It is a number. So please check spelling, numbers, remove S. Okay, run this code. Here is the number plot. Again, copy line number 27. No copy and paste on line number 28. Now replace number with square. Yes, you can check spelling from screen number 2. You can copy or paste. Here is the square plot. Now you can apply all these square, ellipse, number, shade, color, and pi. Okay, thank you. Okay, now our next step is to create upper or lower half. If you want to create upper half, you need to come on your first script. After number, add comma and type inverted comma. Within inverted comma, type upper and run. It will give you upper half of your plot. If you want to draw lower half, replace upper with lower, replace upper with lower and run. It will give you lower plot. Copy and run. Similarly, apply on second code, comma, inverted comma, upper. This is the upper portion. Copy this plot and share in group. And similarly, you can also create its lower plot or remove upper with lower, lower and run. It will give you the lower plot. Copy, open group and paste. Okay. Now you need to perform all these type of plots. with upper and lower. Okay, just use upper and lower like this and draw plots. Okay, please do this practice on your ficus data set as well as if you have your own data set, also try to create plot, this type of plot on your own data set. If you are facing any issue regarding your own data set like correlation plot, you can discuss with me about correlation plot on your own data set. Please let me know. No, my screen is visible or not. No, it's visible. Again, no. Yes. Okay. Thank you. No, here I just add two codes like this, comma, inverted comma lower and inverted comma upper or lower. You need to apply all these upper and lower plots on all these scripts like ellipse, shade, color, file and share these plots within group. Now you have 20 minutes. You can use your data set or you can use your ficus data set and draw these plots, all these plots and share these within group. If you have any questions, you can ask. Okay. Yes, Dr. Hamid, you can ask your question. Yes, Dr. Hamid, please open your mic. I think you are allowed.
Yes, sir, are you hearing me?
Yes.
Okay, sir, I have a question. Let's suppose if we have our own data, we want to use it for the correlation, for the purpose of correlation.
Yes.
What is the basic mandate? Like how much variables should be there for the correlation? Like in present data, we have four
Why
variables.
you mean why we perform correlation?
Just to correlate the two variables.
Yes.
Okay? In the present data, we have four variables. What is the major purpose, like using correlation to determine correlation between the variables? This is some sort of confusion.
What is the main purpose of correlation?
Yes,
Okay.
like how much variables we should have to use correlation.
You can use maximum or you can use all variable in your data set or you can use some specific variables. For example, uh, this is the plant data set. Here is a plant. You have increased its height. Its original height is like this. And you have increased its height by applying different fertilizer. Okay. You give its fertilizer, its height increased. These are without fertilizer and these are with fertilizer. When you give its fertilizer, its height will increase, but you will get a one benefit. But here you want to check. If I increase its height, what is its effect on its seed? What is the effect of on its fruit taste? What is the effect on its leaf size? What is the effect on its uh, odor? So to check the relationship of height with other variables, we will use correlation. Your actual task is, it's mean you can check its side positive or negative effect on plant, other portion of the plant. Have you cleared? जी हमें सब क्लियर हुआ क्वेश्चन? हमें सब काइंडली बताइएगा. ओके.
Right, sir. I'm clear now. I'm clear
ओके.
now.
यानी आपने एक ट्रीटमेंट अप्लाई की है किसी एक स्पेसिफिक पैरामीटर पे. यानी आपने प्लांट की हाइट पे ट्रीटमेंट अप्लाई की है. आपने इसके टेस्ट के ऊपर अप्लाई नहीं की हुई. लेकिन जब आप इसकी हाइट इंक्रीज करेंगे तो आपने ये चेक करना है कि हाइट को इंक्रीज करने से टेस्ट के ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट हो रहा है. तो इस तरह हमने ये देखें पेटल विड्थ को इंक्रीज करने से सेपल विड्थ के ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट होगा. पेटल विड्थ को चेंज करने से सेपल लेंथ के ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट होगा. असल में हमने चेंज एक पैरामीटर किया है. इस एक पैरामीटर को चेंज करने से अदर पैरामीटर्स के ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट होगा, वो पॉजिटिव होगा या नेगेटिव होगा, इनमें आपस में क्या रिलेशनशिप है. ये चीज चेक करने के लिए हम कोरिलेशन एनालिसिस अप्लाई करते हैं. ओके.
Right, sir.
ओके. Okay, thank you. In our next class, we will perform some advanced tools, AI tools for data analysis. And now you have learned some basic techniques like reading, writing, and editing. How to read, how to write, and how to edit our code. We have learned some basic techniques of R programming. In our next class, we will perform some advanced techniques, advanced way to perform statistical analysis. Okay. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.